My camera came with this editing program that I wanted to see how it worked. So I'm using this video as a way to test, to see all the effects. The weirdest one I found so far is the bubble one, because for some reason it makes me act really retarded. Bubbles. Bubbles. No comment. That was kind of scary to see myself like that. The other one I found was the rain effect, which was weird in some ways. Just watch. Then there's the swirl effect. Oh my god, it's like so... I feel high. Now I have my light strips on. It's really awkward to talk with these. But luckily, I don't need to talk in the next one, because it's one of the olden day type shots. God, my light strips are right now so uncomfortable. I think I'm going to stop with the effects now because it's getting late and I want to go to sleep, and my sister's starting to get really annoying because she's observing dragon scales with a magnifying...
What dragons are real?